guys, so today I'm super duper excited because I'm gonna make Rarity from My Little Pony. Okay, I already made the heads here, the feet, the body, the cutie mark, everything. I already made them, If you want to know how to make the body, the feet, and the cutie mark, you can watch the Fluttershy or the Apple Bloom video because I already make them and I'll show you how to make the head, the body, just like that, the feet. You know how to make the cutie mark is just gonna shape them, okay? And don't forget to watch my Apple Bloom and Fluttershy Play-Doh making. Today I'm gonna make Rarity from Play-Doh. Now, we already have a purple here. We're just gonna grab the purple Play-Doh. I already opened this Play-Doh. Take out that Play-Doh. There you go. Already squeezed them. I already squeezed them. Okay. Now we need to make the hair, but before we make the hair, we're just gonna stick all the Play-Doh, all the stuff we have made here together. We're gonna stick the cutie mark here. It's a little bit dark. Just like that. Now we're gonna stick the head. But before we stick the head, we just need to take a bit of Play-Doh, the white Play-Doh, and take a bit of Play-Doh. And we're just gonna make a little bit. Then gonna put it here, the head, and the head is keep on falling and falling. So to keep the head standby, we need the Play-Doh. Just gonna stick it together. Stick the head together. Okay. I'm just gonna need to stick them together. Okay. Perfect. So the head won't fall. Perfectly. Now we cannot take the feet. We just need to make the hair now because the feet just keep on falling and falling and falling. We just put it there. So we just need to make the hair. Okay. We need to take a few Play-Doh, purple Play-Doh. I'm just going to press it on the table. A very large circle shape. Okay, the shape just kind of like this. Then I'm just going to cut them. Just need to cut them in a few shapes. There you go. Just like this. And we need to fix them up. And we're just going to make them a bit more thinner. Because Rarity doesn't have that very bold head. Here, I mean. Perfect. Just need to stretch them a little bit. Okay, Rarity hair is so curly. Now we're just gonna make the Rarity hair so curly. Just gonna curl the end of the hair. Just like that. Gonna curl a bit. There you go. This is the front Rarity hair. And that was so awesome. Just gonna make the other one. Okay. Just gonna make this one a bit more thinner. Perfect. Cut. And I'm just gonna make them more beautiful. There you go. me. Okay, now let's roll it. There you go. There you go. And he's going to put it on the top here. On her head, the front. And then it's just going to grab a little bit of Play-Doh. So the hair will stick together. Just like that. The curly Rarity hair. Perfect. Now let's make the hair, let's just look perfectly braided out. First I need to grab Play-Doh. So guys, let's make the front hair. We need to take the Play-Doh here. We just need to curl the hair. There you go. This is Rarity hair. Okay, we just need to stick them perfectly. Just need to curl Rarity hair. There you go. We got a perfect curl hair. Just like that. So cool. Okay, now let's make the other hair. I mean the feet. We just need to stick the feet. We just need to stick the feet. We just need to stick the feet. After we stick the feet, we need to make Rarity eyes. First, we just need to stick the feet. Last bead. Here you go. Perfect. Now he can walk. Now she can walk. Now we're gonna make Rarity tail. The tail is also curly. Just like that. Just gonna press. And I'm just gonna cut. There we go. We got this long shape for the tail. Woohoo, woohoo. Just gonna swirl. I'm just gonna swirl. There you go. This is the Rarity curly hair, tail. See? The feet will keep falling. Where are you, little feet? Just going to stick the feet again. Feet, stick the feet. Feet. Now we're going to make the Rarity eye. For the eyes, I'm just going to make the purple eyes. Because purple is such a cute color for Rarity. I'm going to stick the eyes. I'm going to make the smile with purple too. The smile. Beep beep. So guys, this is Rarity. Oh, the feet keep on falling, but you already know that. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to watch my other Play-Doh video. And thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye!